If you are a potential e-commerce seller and want to run your business efficiently on top marketplaces like Amazon and Walmart, then our channel 𝐃𝐢𝐟𝐿 will be the right choice for you. Seeing as how WFS is obvious counterpart to Amazon FBA's program, we thought it would be helpful for the marketplace sellers to create a video to compare these two. In this video, we'll talk about what we can expect from these two fulfillment service and the impact it can have your numbers. If you are already on WFS or FBA and need help making sure that you do not leave your money on the table, we can help with that as well. This is Tarjit from 𝐃𝐢𝐟𝐿 and welcome to another brand new video. Today I am going to go over the vital difference between WFS and FBA. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel 𝐃𝐢𝐟𝐿 and press the bell icon. So grab onto your seat and let's get started. What is FBA and WFS? FBA, also known as Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service that helps Amazon seller outsource shipping to Amazon. With this fulfillment option, Amazon stores, pick, packs, ships and delivers the product to customers. Amazon also handles return for these orders too. On the other hand, Walmart Fulfillment Service or WFS is a fulfillment service provided by Walmart that take care of inventory storage, order fulfillment, returns and even customer service for Walmart sellers. Of course, as you are evaluating these two, you probably want to know what are the similarities between these two fulfillment services. This is one of the most common questions of the marketplace sellers. In this tutorial, we are gonna discuss 8 differences sellers must know between these two fulfillment centers. Fulfillment fee, maximum shipment weight, product labeling, multi-channel fulfillment, after-sales service, 2-day deliver tax and buy box, return policy and eligibility. Fulfillment fees. WFS fulfillment fees start at $3.45 and the FBA fulfillment fees start at $2.57, but the Amazon offers higher storage fees than WFS. Amazon requires seller to pay a recurring monthly fee in order to join the FBA program, but WFS doesn't. If we include all of the fees, and we can see that WFS offers cheaper fulfillment fees than FBA. Maximum shipment weight. WFS has limited product dimension and limited weight. The maximum shipment weight for WFS is 30 pounds. But with FBA, you can sell product of all sizes, so you do not need to worry about having your own warehouse and its capacity. Product labeling. WFS doesn't provide any box label or shipment label to the seller, but FBA provides seller with shipping labels and also cost a charge for each label, which is cheaper than any deliver service labels. Multi-channel fulfillment. Another important distinction. WFS only process order for Walmart marketplace, but FBA expand its service to sell off Amazon through its optional MCA program. You can use Amazon warehouse and shipping service for any non-Amazon order. Post-sale service. Unlike Amazon, Walmart offers a dedicated support team for WFS. This translates to the more direct, helpful support in any WFS inquiries in 24 hours. Even physical store also provide warm customer service for online customers. WFS gives your customer more post-sale option than FBA. With FBA, sellers have to deal with the customers and any kind of post-selling services. 2-day deliver tag and buy box. One of the biggest peaks of WFS outside convenience is the ability to offer fast shipping across the entire country. WFS sellers tend to win the buy box more often, as a result having faster shipping and more reliable shipping. WFS items also get 2-day deliver tag added to their listings and a sold by seller fulfillment by Walmart stamps, boosting their organic ranking and customer confidence during checkout. Beyond this, WFS offers free 2-day shipping on order $35 and up, even though no membership is required. Whereas FBA offer free same-day, 1-day and 2-day option for Prime members depend on region. Even by default, WFS also store your wares apart from other merchants as its warehouse to avoid fraud, but stores all sellers' wares together. Return policy. WFS returns can be made at any Walmart near a retail store location or by a mail. But with FBA, customers have to return items in any whole foods or clothes or by mail. Which customers may find time-consuming sometimes. Eligibility. Anyone can join the FBA program, but WFS limit entry to eligible sellers who meet specific requirements. Walmart is winking at its competitor with WFS, but there is a big important disadvantage in this service, and it's that it only accepts shipment within the US currently. So for now, Amazon FBA is still the one to beat. These are the most highlighted disparities. You can also share what your experience with WFS and with FBA. Which one is more suitable for your business? That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with your friends. If you have anything more to know regarding WFS and FBA, please write down your questions in the comment section. You can also click on the I button from the top right corner of this video to get more videos about e-commerce. Moreover, you can also check out our website www.ecomclips.com. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.